is primer. I am taking this All Matte Invisible Porous Primer and applying it to my face. Going to the Urban Decay Nocturnal palette, and I'm going to, oh, it won't open. Start by taking the shade ABC Gum as a transition shade and putting it in my crease. Moving on, I'm taking the shade Delete and cutting out my crease with it. I'm going to take the shade Blackout and mix it with some Delete and bring it down my outer V. For that pop in the inner corner, I'm taking the shade Midnight Cowboy Rides Again, which I know they have a glitter liner, well, the heavy metal liners, they're technically called, in Midnight Cowboy, so I'm guessing this is similar, even though it doesn't look that similar to what I've seen of it, but I don't own it, so I don't know. Let's just pop it on before I keep on talking. I'm just going to take a little bit of Delete and blend everything in. I'm actually not going to do eyeliner for once and go straight to lashes. These are the Iconic lashes, which are the cutest packaging in the world. I love them. Let's just pop them on. We need some coverage up in here, so I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, of course on a damp beauty blender. For concealer, I'm trying out a new concealer today. It is the Pop Feel HD Concealer, which reminds me a lot of the Makeup Forever HD Concealer because the packaging looks very similar. But you know what? Let's try it. Ooh, it looks like lip gloss. Now that my brows are thicker than I am and I let my foundation and concealer dry a little bit, I'm taking the Maybelline Shine Free Powder and just setting my face completely. Now for the lower lash line, I'm taking this Ulta Gel Eyeliner. Well, it's called Gel Eyeliner, even though it's an eyeliner pencil. And I'm going to be smoking it on my lower lash. So now to set that lower lash line, I'm going to take this Sephora Wish number 5 to be a queen. I'm going to take this, actually it's a deep purple, and it's going to help define and just give us some dimension on our eyes. Contour, I'm taking this CoverGirl, it's actually a powder, but it's in my contour shade. I've been loving to use this to contour recently, so I'm going to do it. So now for highlighter, we need the brightest glow we can possibly get. And I mean possibly get. So you know where I'm headed to. Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. And I'm going to get the glow because we're a queen. We need to have that glow. There's the spider room, so I'm going to finish the tutorial out here. Next up, I'm taking this Coco collection in Ochre by Kylie and Khloe Kardashian's Cosmetics, and I'm going to be applying it, and I'm going to be doing my makeup in the viewfinder, so yeah. I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in Punchy Red and apply it to my lips. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you next time. Bye!